Friends, welcome you in Research Needs. In this video, we will see how to design the animal study in set-wise arrangement. So for that, points need to be considered before arranging the animals in set-wise arrangement. So for that, there are some factors we have to consider which can affect while we are arranging animals in set wise. So first is how many groups we have, that we have to see. Example, I am taking 12 groups, and second point is number of animals. How many animals are there in the experiment, that we have to see. Suppose here I have taken 120 animals, because while you are doing set-wise arrangement experiment, the number of animals are large and the number of peoples are less, means manpower is less to perform the experiment. During the experiment, how much time the interim and terminal procedures are taking will be the next factors which can affect in set-wise arrangement. So suppose we are doing dysmenorrhea experiment. In that, in terminal procedures, we have to observe each animals for 30 minutes after oxytocin injection. So this procedure take times. And next point is device or instrument or equipment. Suppose we are doing diabetic study. In that, we have to perform a glucose level. We have to check a glucose level that can be easily checked by 2 to 3 instruments simultaneously. So experiment will be easily performed early. Our next and last point is technical person. Suppose we have big experiment and large number of animals are there in our experiment, and we have to perform surgery on in each animals. So it will definitely take times, and there are, if we have more than one technical person, then we can easily perform those experiment in less time. Now we are going to arrange these experiment in set wise. So we have taken here 8 set. So I have divided in 8 sets this experiment, and group on, we have to write here groups. So you can see it is arranged. Now I'm going to arrange here all 12 groups. So this type of table you have to prepare while you are doing experiments. Here we have number of animals in per group is 10. So now our table is ready. Now we will give some colors so it can be easily visible and you can easily arrange the number of animals. So I am showing you how you can divide animals in set wise easily for large studies. So now you have to write number wise animals. So here it is ready. You have to write only number wise animals 1 to 10. In second set we will do likewise. Simply you have to write this way, and we will uh, keep blank. Here in each set we have to arrange the animals in same number, so it will be matched to, means each set number of animals should be equal to other set. So we have to divide animals in each set equal. So for that we will put here formula so we can easily see how we have arranged the animals in set wise. Sum into bracket count, and we will take all the set one numbers of bracket, so it will be easily count number of animals. So now here you can see set 1 is ready, and then we will drag it for all the set. You can see here 5 animals, it's showing 5 numbers. So likewise, I have dragged for all sets. So now we will divide the all groups 10 animals in these sets. So we have to write it total complete total 120 animals are there. So that we have to, oh, as we assign the animals, number of animals in each set, it will increase automatically. So I have put here formula. Now as I am increasing the number of animals in each set, it is increasing automatically the total number of animals and number of animals in each sets. So now you can see total 120 animals are there, and I have divided them in all set. Means each set has 15 animals. Now we will color the extra animals other than this set. So suppose we have 8 set and we have 10 animals, 2 animals are extra. That we have to color, because if we do color, the any random mistake will be easily appear. So this is how we can check. So how was the video? Please do comment. Thank you for watching this.